In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Yahoo Mail without a verification code. If Yahoo keeps asking for a verification code when you sign in, this usually comes down to security settings inside your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to check those settings and how to confirm whether two-step verification or a saved passkey is causing the extra prompt. The goal here is to review your account security options and then test the sign-in process again. First, go to Yahoo Mail in your web browser. Once the page loads, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open your account menu, where you can access the settings connected to your Yahoo account. From that menu, click on Manage Your Account. This takes you out of the inbox view and into your account management area, where Yahoo stores your login, privacy, and security options. If you do not immediately see everything at once, give the page a moment to fully load. Next, click on Security. This section is where Yahoo controls sign-in protections, including features that may require a code, an approval prompt, or a passkey before access is granted. Once you are in the security area, find the setting for two-step verification. Check whether it is turned on or turned off. If it is already turned off, that means Yahoo should not require a verification code as part of standard two-step verification. This is an important detail because it helps you confirm whether the code request is coming from that setting or from something else on the account. After that, look for any passkeys connected to the account and delete them. A passkey can sometimes trigger an alternate sign-in method, especially if it has been saved on a device or browser before. Removing it can help simplify the login process and reduce extra prompts. When you finish making those changes, log out of your Yahoo account. Then sign in again to test whether the verification code prompt is gone. This final check is important because it confirms whether the settings update worked. If the code prompt still appears, make sure the changes were fully saved before signing out and double check the security section one more time. But if two-step verification is off and the passkeys have been removed, you should be able to sign in more directly. That's it. Now you know how to check your Yahoo security settings and test whether you can open Yahoo Mail without a verification code.